6 months into this pandemic, we have millions of people globally who are out of work and have been cut off from their social lives. They have all the time in the world to do what they want, but they feel like there's no point. In a world before the pandemic, when employment was high and social gatherings were the norm, there are still millions of people who maintain the idea that there's no point in doing anything or going on. At some point in our lives, we've all experienced depression in some form. Some of us may have had suicidal thoughts in the past, and some of us may have known others who have taken their own lives. I'm no exception in these cases, and I'm sure many of you watching are no different. Look after your friends and family, especially the quiet ones. But equally as important, look after the ones who appear to have nothing wrong with them, who seem to have no problems, because they can suffer just as greatly. To those who are in a position where they can help others, kinaltas, kindness. And to those who are suffering, níl tú id éonair. You're not alone.